The Akron police were responding to a welfare check call when two individuals alerted them to a man with a sledgehammer walking around the building.
Can I see your hands?
Why?
Let me see your hands.
What do you need?
Just put your hands up.
What?
Because I said put your hands up.
Nowhere, nobody.
Put the hammer down.
Not going anywhere.
You gotta put the hammer down.
Where are you walking at?
Put the hammer down.
Put the hammer down.
Put the hammer down. You're gonna get tased.
Get at me.
You're gonna get tased.
I asked you why you
I said
walking.
put the hammer down.
Okay.
Go on, take. Get on the ground now.
Okay.
Put your hands up.
Okay. I was just asking a question.
Put your hands up. Face
Lay
away
down.
from me. You're gonna get tased again.
Sorry, I'm not.
Lay on your stomach.
Put your hands on your back. Put them on your back.
Car 20 check out.
I was asking you a question.
We're good. No one is here. Copy, one apprehension. Do you need me to hold the channel?
No response, I guess.
Negative.
Not interested, huh?
All units can resume normal radio traffic.
I had permission to be here, by the way. I got a box on the porch
20.
with my name on it.
Can we get a operation instruction?
Doesn't matter.
Still the 36, correct?
No, near 32.
Show me mail. Copy.
Roll over on your side.
Yeah.
Thank you, see.
Sit up on your butt. Put your knees up to your chest.
Yeah.
Stand up for me. You got anything on you that's gonna stick or poke me?
I don't know what's going on now.
All right. It's up to the car. Tell me you had a needle on you? You got any more needles on you?
Sure what I had on me. You're probably
All right. Do you use narcotics?
yeah, but I don't have any more shit.
Do you have any on you? Scratch your feet for me.
16, put it down this morning. 0300.
I want to see if he's got any more belongings in that trash can. Can't really set him in the car with all the probes in him.
Where's the second probe at?
He's got one here, he's got one on that arm.
You got one in the back? Alright, just in the front? You can send them in there. As long as you're not sending them down on me.
Good.
Watch this blood on the car.
You got gloves on, Parker?
14. Circuit Virgin. 6-1.
What's his name? Gregory. Gregory. Alright. Just to read this to you real quick, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yeah.
Alright, with these rights in mind, do you care to answer some questions that I have?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so the sunglasses case that was found with your belongings over there. Alright, there was a baggie inside of there. And some more needles. Alright, that looked like the needles that was on you. Okay, what's inside that baggie? What's that?
It was empty. It used to be drugs.
It was what?
It was empty. It used to be drugs.
What drugs?
Meth.
Meth? Okay. Alright. Search here?
Yeah, he's in
Okay. Alright. Alright, man, sit tight, okay? We'll figure out what's going on here, alright?
Alright, 67. He took that sledgehammer and he was going like this.
He told him to put the sledgehammer down.
Yep.
He's backing up on him. I told him I seen him.
Right
He
back in
said-
that little alley back there.
He asked me, did I see a, yeah.
Yeah, and then that's when they tased him.
Okay. So,
And he went down like a tree.
all right. Hey, Gregory, I'm circling with you. I'm here to just interview on what kind of happened between you and my officers tonight. Can you just tell me what happened a little bit?
I was just up there. I know the guy that owns that place there. He said, Tommy, he's got a box up there for me. He put stuff in it. He said, I can probably grab stuff whenever they throw it out.
What kind of stuff?
I was just collecting stuff out.
Okay.
There was some new shoes in there, some candy I put into a bag, and this was like a couple new things that they threw on stuff. Like jewelry, a couple pennies in the bottom of the bag.
Okay. So, what happened when the officers showed up?
I couldn't really tell who it was because I always see the bright light and I can't see good at night, so I didn't know who it was. And somebody was just telling me to stop, so I just picked up my stuff and started backing away.
Yeah.
When I got tased, I was brought in.
You got what?
I was tased and brought in.
Did the officers say anything to you?
I couldn't really tell what they were saying because, I don't know, whenever I can't see because of the lights shining in my eyes are really bad at night.
Do you remember them saying anything? Like, I know you saying you didn't make it out, but were they saying something toward you?
I could hear them talking. I don't know if they were talking both at the same time, but stay there, don't move, put your hands up, etc. I didn't know it was them or anything. But I'm sure they probably did.
Okay. What did you do?
I grabbed my hammer and started backing away back to the alleyway.
Okay. And you said you got tased?
Yeah.
What happened after you got tased?
I said, they just brought me over.
They brought you over here? No? Didn't do anything else to you? Didn't hit you, kick you, anything like that? No? No? Okay. Look, I just gotta ask some questions. You hurt? No? EMS check you out? Yep. Okay. Anything you want to tell me? Like else about what happened out here? No? You think the officers use excessive force on you or anything like that? No? Okay. Alright. Where'd you get tased at?
My shoulder, a couple on my shoulder maybe.
Your shoulder?
One in that arm, and the one didn't stick in my pants. So.
One didn't stick in your pants? Alright. You mind if I take some pictures of you real quick just for my investigation? You're Gregory, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get a couple of your face. You turn towards me. You got a little bit of blood on your lip. Where did you get hit at? You said on your shoulder?
Yeah, I think on that shoulder, I'm not really too sure.
There's one stuck in his arm.
Anywhere else get hit?
Yeah.
Other arm? Okay. Alright.